Find or read reviews that people are talking about APOKAMORI 7-inch portable Apple CarPlay, wireless touchscreen double-din car stereo. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Upgrade plug and play. CarPlay ease of installation. Simply plug it into your car's cigarette lighter and you're ready to go. Apple CarPlay is equipped with a sturdy suction/dashboard cup holder. It can be firmly attached to the center console. Compared with the complex installation of a traditional car stereo, this portable car screen saves you time, effort, and cost. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Car Screen X is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can easily access core features such as GPS, music, phone calls, messaging. Additionally, Car Touchscreen supports Bluetooth phone calls and provides voice control through Siri and Google Assistant to enhance both safety and comfort while driving. All of these features support both wired and wireless connections for maximum flexibility. HD Night Vision Backup Camera. CarPlay is equipped with HD and 170 degrees viewing angle waterproof backup cam with 12 LED lights. The car radio with backup camera dashcam captures clear footage in low light conditions day or night because of its low light sensitivity. The rear camera input automatically displays the image on the unit's screen when reversing your car. Easy operation and help drive safe and easier parking. Camera wires are connected to the reversing lights and are very easy to install. Apple AirPlay and mirroring connection. CarPlay screen for car allows users to wirelessly stream audio, games, videos, and images from their phones to the Apple CarPlay, only Apple. Supports Android/iOS wired mirroring function. You can connect your phone to the car audio system via the 2-in-1 cable to easily connect and sync content, video, GPS, and more. You can also mirror movies for kids to watch on long trips. 4 audio output and split screen. Double-din car stereo. Apple CarPlay features has built-in speakers. Car radio has equipped with U-disc, SD card, AUX and FM radio output options. You can listen to audio through the built-in speakers with Apple CarPlay dash mount and through the car's original sound system. Split screen function supports GPS, Bluetooth music playback or hands-free calls, provide driving safety and enjoyment, enabling drivers to focus more on driving. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.